Hello, my loves, and welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mbalenhle.K, and I do hope you subscribe down below to become a part of this beautiful family. And if you're returning subby, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, guys, welcome to a new weekly vlog. This vlog was supposed to go out yesterday, which was Sunday, but it's going to be up today, which is a Monday, because the weekend had other plans and I ended up finishing editing the video late. So I apologize for that, guys. I will do better next time. I know there's people who have already messaged me asking me where the vlog is. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah, I just had last minute things that I needed to attend to. So yeah, guys, I hope you do enjoy the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and share my video with everyone, your friends, your loved ones, your grannies, your uncles. You know, it helps with YouTube recommendations and for this channel to grow and get monetized. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it's Mbalenhle.K, and I'm all about motherhood, lifestyle, and homemaking content. So yeah, today we are starting a new vlog. It's the 22nd of July. It's a Monday, and I think the time is around 2 or 2:03. So I don't have much planned today, but I am going to unpack groceries that we went out to get, and then yeah, I think I'll show you that bit, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. So bye.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just.
Good morning, my loves. Today is Wednesday, the 24th of July. I woke up and did everything I had to do. Now I'm going to trim and clean Mogodu, and yeah, I will cook it and I will show you guys. Guys, the reason why I'm lazy to cook Mogodu is the reason why I'm lazy to make Mogodu is the process of cleaning it, because I don't like to eat Mogodu on a sand or rocks. Like, it doesn't, man, like I eat snacks, so I have to prepare it when I'm in a good mood so that I can clean it properly. So now I've washed it and I think it is quite clean. I'm still gonna rinse it thoroughly, but I just want to trim the fats. Then yeah.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your own way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Instead to put on, but all I know is how to fall back into you. Oh, I wanna see ya. Now I'm ready to be hurt again. I'll end up in your lap while you pull me closer to your chest. I see it in your eyes that you are ready to be hurt again, like nothing ever crashed. This is the best it ever gets. I see it in your eyes that we will get hurt again. We will get hurt again. I said put us on hold, let us stop for a minute. I'm done with running.
Hello my loves, it's later on in the day. I last saw you guys in the morning when I was preparing Mogodu. I did cook Mogodu and yeah, it took forever. I think I'll show you guys the final product. But yeah, it looks good. If I do say so myself, it looks amazing. So I think I'll end off this vlog here, cooking Mogodu the whole day. Child. So yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
You made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come
Wow. Are you happy? Nice. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. All done. Yay. Sit down, Mama. Hello, my loves, and good morning. So, yeah, today is Thursday, the 25th of July. It's month end. So, yeah, guys, I woke up and I just decided to show you guys what I get up to in the morning. Just washed my face and had to prepare breakfast for Zami and his dad. And prior to that, I made Uzemi some oats because he prefers a bit of oats or porridge in the morning. Then you can give him like mushrooms or Vienna or whatever that he can snack on, just so that he can be full. So yeah, so what happened was, while I was washing my face, I wanted to pause the camera and I got soap on my eye. So now my eye, like, yo, ibuhlungu, guys. Your content creation is usbulala. No, I'm laughing at myself because I mean I could have just continued to wash my face, but angas, I just wanted to pause the camera and get a different angle, and soap got on my eye. Now I'm in pain. Oh my gosh, I don't even have eye drops. Angazi ngizoyithini lento eyenzakalayo. So yeah, the plan now is, what time is it? Let me quickly just check the time. The time right now is 11:46. We're gonna go take a shower with Uzemi. I was planning on doing my bed, but I can't do my bed if Uzemi is around because he likes getting on the bed. And my bed is pretty low, so he can be like, he's able to climb and mess up the pillows. So I'm not about to do that. So I'm going to make his. Hello, my besties. I am back. I had to go shower because my phone ran out of storage as I was talking. I'm sorry about that, guys. So yeah, I took a shower now, and I think I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And my eye, my gosh, I finally I was able to make my bed. So my method is to put Uzano in the water first, then make my bed. Then after, get him dressed and make sure I lock the door behind because he will go back and mess up my bed. And I don't like a messy bed. Yo, Zalan, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hello, my lovies. I'm back to close off this vlog. I do hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And if you did, please do not forget to give me some love in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, and also do not forget to share with everyone, your friends, your family, your loved ones, your grannies, your uncles, your siblings, your children, like with everyone. It helps with YouTube recommendations, and it helps to get my channel noticed, or if I can say recommended to other viewers who might also be subbies, So yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.